Class 10 Physics Numericals. An object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Find the position, nature, and size of the image. Given object distance u is equal to 25 cm and focal length is also given 10 cm plus 10 cm. Now using lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, which means 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. What is f? Plus 10 cm. And what is u? U is minus 25 cm because it is a converging lens. So minus 25 cm. So here also minus 25 cm. Now taking LCM as 100, 25 fours are 100. So here also into 4. 10 tens are 100 and here also we should multiply by 10. So the 10 minus 4 because here is minus divided by 100, that is 6 by 100. So 2 3s are 6, 2 50s are 100. So 3 by 50. So V is equal to 16.67 centimeter. V is nothing but image distance. Now magnification. Using magnification formula, M is equal to V by U. So what is V? V is 16.67. So 16.67 centimeter divided by what is U? Object length is minus 25 centimeter, which is minus 0.67. So magnification M is equal to minus 0.67. Now image height. Image height formula is M into object height. So what is M? Minus 0.67 into what is object height? Object height U is equal to 5. An object 5 centimeter in length. So object height is equal to 5. Now minus 0.67 into 5 is equal to minus 3.35 centimeter. Now they have asked position. Find the position. So first, position of the image is 16.67 centimeter on the other side. So position. So B is equal to 16.67. So position of the image is 16.67 centimeter on the other side. So next they have asked find the nature, find the position, nature. So nature of the image is real and inverted since it is a converging lens. Now they have asked find the size of the image. So what is size of the image? Size is 3.35 centimeter tall, smaller than the object. 3.35 centimeter tall, smaller than the object.